Welcome to our channel How to Guide Everybody, where we post guide videos, and in today's video I'm gonna be showing you guys how you guys can edit your TikTok video using CapCut. Alright, so I've already created a video using TikTok's camera and it's saved in my gallery. So now I'm showing you guys how you guys can edit it using CapCut. First step, open CapCut and click on Resist New Project to start a new project and choose the video which you created from a TikTok. So I created this video from TikTok and I click on add. Now before moving forward from this video, if you guys are new to our channel How to Guide, don't forget to hit the like and subscribe to our YouTube channel with notification on. Let's move on. Now over here right above add audio button, you can see our timeline. Now let's say you want to cut some part out of it. What you can do is scroll to the part which you want to cut, and at the bottom you can see this little button called edit. Click on it, and from over here you're gonna get tons of options. You can click on split to split your video as well, just like this, or you can even use speed to speed up your video. So let me just do this montage. It's gonna make my videos like this. So over here at the bottom there's just tons of effect. All right, you want to use, just click on the effect you want to use and CapCut will automatically put the effect over here. And if you want to mute your video audio, you can see mute clip audio. You can click on it, your video's audio clip will be muted like this. All right, so as you guys can see over here. And if you want to export the video, which means let's say you finished editing and you want to take out the video, at the top you can see this little arrow button. Click on it and it's gonna export and it's gonna be saved on your gallery. Once it's saved on your gallery, you can post wherever you want. All right, so that's the basic gist of how you guys can edit your TikTok video using CapCut. So if you guys found our video helpful, don't forget to hit the like and subscribe to our channel How to Guide. I'll see you guys next time. Bye bye. And yeah, there's tons of features over here, and I didn't go through them one by one because if I did that, this video would be too long. All right, but you can try out whichever effect you want from over here at the bottom. Just scroll through them, click on them, it'll be automatically applied, or you can choose which option you want from those. All right, so yeah,